Hello dear students. In the previous lecture, we reached at the point of glycolysis where glucose was converted into fructose 6-phosphate, which means that pyranose ring of glucose is now converted into furanose ring. You can see this is a 5-carbon ring. So now let's see what is the next step. As the next step, fructose 6-phosphate must be phosphorylated to form fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by the phosphofructokinase 1 enzyme, and fructose 6-phosphate is actually phosphorylated by utilizing phosphoryl group from adenosine triphosphate. And you can see again magnesium is working as the cofactor of the enzyme. Another point which can be noticed here that in the formation of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, phosphoryl group is added to the carbon number 1 of fructose 6-phosphate. Previously, in case of glucose, carbon number 1 had the carbonyl carbon. Therefore, phosphoryl group was added to carbon number 6. Whereas now, in case of fructose molecule, carbon number 2 is the carbonyl carbon, meaning it has got a double bond with oxygen. And carbon number 1 is free to bind with the phosphoryl group. So before we go into the details of functionality of phosphofructokinase 1 enzyme, let's look at the key convention of naming the compounds which have got the phosphate group or the phosphoryl group. So the compounds that contain two phosphate or phosphoryl groups which are attached at two different positions in a molecule, they are named as bisphosphates or the bisphospho compounds. For example, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate और 1,3-बिस्फोस्फोग्लिसरेट, यानी ये दो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स हैं जिनमें के दो फॉस्फेट ग्रुप्स आर अटैच्ड एट टू डिफरेंट पोजीशंस विद इन वन मॉलिक्यूल, यानी इस तरह के मॉलिक्यूल को हम बिस्फॉस्फेट कहेंगे. जबकि ऐसे कंपाउंड्स जिनके अंदर दो फॉस्फेट ग्रुप्स एक साथ अटैच हों या सेम कार्बन के साथ एक चेन की फॉर्म में अटैच हों, इनको हम डाईफॉस्फेट्स कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, एडिनोसिन डाईफॉस्फेट ADP which has got two phosphates attached to the same carbon will be named as diphosphate, and same kind of rule is applicable for naming the triphosphates. For example, inositol 1,4,5 triphosphate, in which the different positions are indicated, and triphosphates such as adenosine triphosphate ATP, indicating that all three phosphate groups are attached with the same carbon. So now coming to the working of phosphofructokinase 1 enzyme. So this 1 is added with the name of the enzyme because of the fact that we want to distinguish it from another enzyme whose name is phosphofructokinase 2 enzyme, and that catalyzes the formation of fructose 2,6-bisphosphate from fructose 6-phosphate in another pathway. This reaction, catalyzed by phosphofructokinase 1 enzyme, is a committed step of glycolytic pathway, and this means that this is essentially an irreversible enzymatic reaction. So the previous step, in which isomerization of glucose 6-phosphate occurred and fructose 6-phosphate was formed, it was not an irreversible reaction. Another point is that glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate have got some other possible fates, meaning they can be consumed in some other pathways and they can be used to form some different kind of products. But fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is a particular compound which is formed during glycolysis. And you will also see this in gluconeogenesis. However, some of the bacteria and protists, when they undergo glycolysis, they have another form of phosphofructokinase enzyme that utilizes pyrophosphate instead of adenosine triphosphate as the source of phosphoryl group.